In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select personalizations, and here you can choose wallpapers. And now you can pick one from static wallpapers, one from live wallpapers, or your own photo. If you click on photos, I will pick some from static wallpapers. Just mark the one that you would like to apply. You can check them this way. And let me apply, for example, this one, then click on apply. And finally, you need to decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, your home screen only, or both of them. Let me pick both. And from now on, as you can see, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.